Hi there and welcome back. It's Tanya from Touch Treasures. Hello. I have got your creative studio box with me today. So I was kindly sent this to have a look at and show you. So your creative studio creates a monthly box with a different theme every month. You can just buy a one-off box, or I think you can do like 3 months, 6 months and so on. And I think the more months you subscribe to, the cheaper it is. And yeah, they're always fabulous. And there's things that they've created themselves, so you know, their own products, and then they bring other products in to fill the box out and stuff. So let's have a look. And you always get a little card and it gives you a clue. So I'm guessing this is a bee themed one. Loving that wallpaper at the back. And then so thank you to Amanda at Your Creative Studio. So let's have a look. So here we go. So these are the things that Your Creative Studio have made themselves. And then, oh, look at this, a bookmark. I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, I'm going to take that on my holidays. And these are things that, you know, they've put in. Ooh, tissue paper, look at that. It's beautiful. Ooh. Oh, look at them sticky notes. And then there's some papers. So I'm going to put all the bee things to one side, and we'll have a look at the other things. So this is Lucky Day Creative Material Package. I'm guessing the little bits of paper. I can't see how many's in there because my glasses don't seem to be working today. No, I can't see. So let's have a look. These are always great for you know, collages and oh, look at that. Oh, that's vellum. And small mates, you know, for making clusters and things. Oh, okay. Oh, is it all vellum? No, so we've got some blues and yellows. That's pretty. Look at that. And then we've got the same, I think, in the vellums. Yeah, and then we've got a few more papers. Oh, they're Christmassy ones and autumn. And then I'm guessing, oh, that's nice. And then you get the vellum. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, and then the vellum. So yeah, that's a nice little book. I'm going to keep that in with my, you know, with my scraps, and then can pull those nice bits in. And I do like having bits of vellum, even though I print it myself. It doesn't come out as nice as. Oh, that's joined. I'll keep that joined. And then we've got lots of script, which I really do love the script ones, especially if you've not got, you know, I mean, some people have lots of old letters and documents and things, and if you haven't, these are great again for collage and little bits of makes, clusters and all kinds of embellishments. So yeah, that's a good different tones, and then obviously different script. Really like that. So that's those two. Ooh. So these are pictures, and I do like these to make little embellishments. They come in really handy. Loving the colours. So lots of whites and orange and yellows and greens. I'm guessing these will go nicely with the theme of the box. Oh, I love that. And then we've got them in vellum. I don't know if they're the same or not. And then we've got them in black and white vellum. And then it goes back to some lovely pictures, to the normal papers. There must be a lot in here. 200. I'm going to say there's more than 100. Yeah, and they are paper, they're not stickers. So yeah, brilliant for clusters, just the right size. So that's that. And then we've got a little box here. I always love the little packagings and things. Handy, you know, to keep these, to put stickers and stuff on your desk for easy grab. Ooh. Oh, nice little labels. I'm guessing these are stickers. They are in browns and yellows. These are nice. Dandelions. I do really like dandelions. I don't like them in the garden, but that's cute. I think there's 2 or 3 of the same one. Got some script. Got a nice birdie. January. Yeah, I think there's two of each one. Oh, chapter like that. May. So we've got those. I'm guessing there's about 40 in those. I can't see, but yeah, there's about 40 in those. And then what are these? Dazzling flowers. Wow, these look pretty. And I think it says there's 3 sheets of them. So I will keep that and put that in my trash thing. Make a nice jumbo tag. So these, look how pretty these are. That's it, look. Oh, they are pretty. Got bouquet. Well, I like these in the little vases. Butterfly. Poppy, iris. So you must just peel. Do you peel them? Or, I think you use the entire thing. I've had these before. I had them with autumn pictures, and I use them as like belly bands. So I think that's what they are. It doesn't feel as if you can peel them up. So yeah, I think they're just like decorative strips, and then obviously if you laid them on top of a paper. And then there's this one. Yeah, they're really pretty. So that's those things. And then I'll just pop those up there a bit. So every month there's always a set of stickers. I always put these in my postal box and, you know, use them on letters and my parcels and things. Come in very handy. We've got some tissue paper. There's normally, I think, between 4 and 6 pieces in there. I'm not going to take it out, because I take it out, then I can't put it back in, and it just keeps it nice there. So that'll make some really nice backs for tags and things, and then decorate them. I love this, and I have started reading again, so I'm going to put this in my current book. What a beautiful gift that would have made, but it's my birthday soon, so I'm going to have it. Yeah, that's so nice. And quite often there's a nice little gift kind of thing in there. You know, we've had ink pens and little purses and things like that. So it's very nice. Then we've got some washi tape. So again, I save all these envelopes and make ephemera out of them if I manage. You know, not to totally tear it like I just did that one. Oh, this is nice. So we've got a nice B washi tape. So it's got the cone, I forget what you call those, and flowers and the bees, and it's really nice sticky tape. It's got, you know, got a good stick to it. You don't need to use glue under it unless you've, you know, left it about a year before you use it, obviously. But if you're using it straight away, it's definitely sticky. These ones seem really sticky this month. But you know, I can't take them off. So we've got 2 bees there, and they are very, very nice stamps. They stamp lovely. They've got lots of you know, interest on them. We've got two thingies of jam. That's really cute. They're lovely. Yeah, look at all the detail, you know, all the shading and stuff, and they come out very, very nice. The nice quality stamps. Managed to do that without ripping it. And ooh, this looks an interesting one. So I'll do this. Nice big one. I've got a nice, it looks like a sunflower or a big daisy, and then we've got the bee there. So 4 nice stamps, and then we've got these lovely sticky notes, which sometimes I use them as sticky notes. I'll have them, you know, on my desk. Other times, you know, I'll stick them on to some, obviously glue them down, and you know, that could be a tag or whatever. Probably make a nice pocket if you stuck that to some card. So yeah, they're really pretty. So that's that one. And let's have a look at the papers. So we've got 24 sheets. 6 of them are sticker papers, 6 are vellum papers, 6 are art papers, and 6 are patterned papers. And these are 12 by 21 centimetres. I really like this size. So we've got that one. Love the wallpaper at the back. Very nice colours. This one with the text on and the bees. That lovely, like, wallpapery. And we've got some polka dots. And then that one. So there are your 5. Oh, it's a 6. 6 different ones. And then you've got them in the vellum. These are the stickers. You can feel them, they're a bit thicker. And then you've got them again, and this is like a textured paper. So I really like those. They feel nice, and they're a bit thicker than those ones. Yeah, that's really pretty. That's a sticker as well. So that is that month's box. So I think this was March's box. I'm not sure if there's any available of this one on her website. I will put the website down below, and yeah, if you like it, go and have a look. I know sometimes she sells the stamps separately and things like that. I know there is sometimes some pass boxes in there. So thank you very much to Amanda. So thanks for watching. Sorry about the glare. It's been there all that time, hasn't it? Must put it on that side. And yeah, I need to find a home for these now. So until tomorrow, I shall be back with more crafting and things tomorrow. So bye for now.